Good morning. It is Veda. Is it the ninth? It's the 8th or the ninth. So I'm just sitting here on my couch. It's a beautiful morning. It's cool enough to have the doors and windows open. At least for me it is. I saw at the feeder out there this morning, I saw a beautiful yellow and black, I think it was a finch. But the birds have finally found that feeder. The squirrels, somebody's doing something out there mowing their lawn. The squirrels have found it too, but they can't climb up to it because it's on kind of a not real strong branch. So they just hang out underneath and eat the remnants. So I'll have you. I hope you all have a great Saturday, and yeah, bye.